To change server name on Discord. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. To change server name on Discord, you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then you come to this page, and here you can switch through all your servers, and then you have to click on the server three dots of your server in the top right corner, and then you can see the settings. So you have to click on the settings, and then you can see the overview option in the setting. You have to click on the overview, and here you can see your server name. So you have to tap on your server name here, so you can change your server name to the, you can type any of the name that you want for your server. So let's see, I am typing my YouTube channel name, and then you can after that you have to click, you have to click on this. You can see this icon in the bottom right corner. You can see this blue icon. You have to click on this, and when you click on this, then the server settings has been updated. So that's basically it, that how you can change your server name in on Discord. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate